This Saturday, March the 23rd, drift racing returns here to the Rock at Rockingham Speedway. The Grassroots Drifting Series out of Myrtle Beach, MB Drift, will be here to open up their 4th season with Spring Matsuri 4. Gates will open at 8:30. The track will go hot at noon. That evening, there will be a concert in the pit garage featuring High Driver and also night drifting. On Sunday, March the 24th, there will be a Door Bangers Ball. The competition starts at 2 p.m., but there will be open drifting available both on the road course inside here and also on Little Rock throughout. You can purchase tickets for this event ahead of time online. Look up MB Drift. You can see their website or their social media on Facebook and Instagram, or you can purchase tickets here at the Rock this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, coming to you from the Rock with your weekly Rockamercial, your guide to all the fun here in rocking Richmond County. Tonight in downtown Rockingham, the Richmond County Photography Group will meet for their monthly meeting at Arts Richmond, and this is at 6 p.m. Around the corner at Richmond Community Theater, they will have auditions for an upcoming play, and these will start at 6:30 p.m. In Hamlet, Axe to Grind will have music bingo, and it is also Thursday Throwdown. That will be at the Ballroom. Lots of dancing and fun, and Sandhills Shag Club. Tomorrow, Friday, March the 22nd, there will be a Homesteading Basics workshop. That will be at the Ag Services Center in Rockingham starting at 6 p.m. Also in Rockingham at Hippy Dippy Marketplace, they will have a Sip and Shop fashion show that will start at 6 p.m. There will be live music downtown at Hudson Brothers with Oero, and at Double Vision, they will have karaoke, and at Axe to Grind, they will have a bracket blitz. Flashlight Fiesta 4, which was part of the Digger Die No Prep Racing Series that was going to be at Rockingham Dragway Friday and Saturday, has been canceled due to predicted rain. But Import Face Off, that is on Sunday, March 24th, is still on go. That starts at 9 a.m. and you can find out more information about all of the fun that will be on Sunday at Import Face Off at Rockingham Dragway, just across the street. See the Facebook event page or check out the Import Face Off website or Rockingham Dragway's website. On Saturday, March the 23rd, there will be another Homesteading Basics workshop, courtesy of the Richmond County Cooperative Extension, and this one will be at the Sandhills AgInnovation Center in Ellerby. At 10 a.m., Cool Cars for a Cause will be at Richmond County Hospice. This is from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. If the weather prevents them from being able to have the car show, they do have a rain date scheduled for April the 13th. At noon, we'll start the Project Taylor Ride, and this will be at Hideaway Tavern in Rockingham, and this is rain or shine. At 4 p.m., Steakhouse night at the Grille starts, and later that night, there's live music in the lounge at Strikers, and that's in Strikers Bowling Alley with Danny Skeel. Over at Double Vision, they will have DJ Roy G, and in Hamlet at Axe to Grind, they will have Bowtie Karaoke. On Sunday, March the 24th, local historians Marty Goodman and John Hutchinson have organized an event in honor of Women's History Month, which is March, and also all of the women who dared to be different from here in our community. This starts at 3 p.m. The event title is Daring Women of Rockingham, and it will be in East Side Cemetery in Rockingham.